your Samsung TV have white light spots like the one below? If it does, here's how I fix mine. Here's the front of the TV. That's the bezel that goes around it. Under here are your ribbons that you will have to unplug. You also remove your speakers. These are the guards for the ribbons. These are the bezels that hold the front screen in, the white screen. I'll show you that. Once you pull those off, this is your outside screen. And then underneath of this is your other screen. So it's recommended to slide that off on the cardboard. Keep it in the configuration of the TV. So that's the left of my TV, that's the right, that's the top, that's the bottom. The whole room is set up like that. Bottom, bottom. This is the right side of the TV over here. This is the left side of the TV. You can see the other ribbon bracket there. And here's your backlight display. These are your LEDs. And you can see these little lenses on there, or diffusers. Well, you see this one sitting here? It's not on there. I actually found it down here in the bottom. So this was, that one fell off. Now it's recommended to go through each one of these and just kind of wiggle it just a little bit with your finger, gently. If they're loose, you'll feel crusty, dry glue and they will pop off. And I had several pop off. Now, this is the one right here that was causing the fuzziness on my TV. And then I had noticed that the one up here was starting to throw a weird shadow. Well, that one popped off easy too. And then these top ones popped off. Total, I had 7 pop off. So I'm going to glue them back on. I'm using a nice strong epoxy. Some videos recommend to use a 30-minute epoxy because it gives you more working time. These aren't going to take long to glue back on. So I'm using a 5-minute epoxy. I'm going to let this thing set up for a good half hour, put it back together and be done with it. You can see these 3 little dots right there, okay? Those 3 little dots line up with these 3 little dots. And when you center it properly, you can kind of feel it lock into place. You want those in the right spot because if you are off-centered on that diffuser, it's going to throw a weird shadow, bright light. So if you get them right, you set them in that the 3 prongs, you're not going to have a problem. If you do it wrong, you're going to have a problem. You're going to have to take it all apart and do it all over again. That's why they say to use the 30-minute epoxy, but after setting a few of these down without glue, I can tell that it's not hard to center them. So you're going to want to put glue on, the dots on here and a little bit on there. So you got it on both surfaces, and put them back in place. Make sure they're seated properly, and hopefully that fixes your problem. The white spots are going on my screen now. It's perfect. It cost me nothing to fix it, and about an hour and a half to 2 hours to get the whole job complete. No more white spots, just a beautiful picture in 4K.